All right. So I've had a lot of pain in my life this week, so I'm gonna sit. Yeah, you know something about that, don't you? So I'm gonna sing some sad songs. There we go. The song's called Lies. Lies. Lies right up to the end. I'm your only friend, and you're not invincible. And I've gotta say, you've seen better days. Now that you're over, sitting around in silence with ancient songs of anger and violence, and nothing is quite as sweet as being sucked off his feet. You won't find to the light. You don't have the right. So pull yourself over. So hurry up and go, 'cause I don't got all day, bro. I'll stop and take a picture. But I failed to find every of this life, and it's not worth repeating. It's not worth repeating. It's not worth repeating. Hey man, I've gotta go. Catch the bus, don't you know? But don't you worry, 'cause all is not lost. Your death will pay off now that you're over. And once again, I have failed to find the purpose of this life. And I swear on my life I'll get it right this time. I'll get it right this time. Like 1,000 times. Like 1,000 times. Like 1,000 times. And I got just one thing left to say. There'll be better days.
Nobody thinks you're cool except for CountryGreenKid.com.